In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sharpen video in Davinci Resolve. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just getting started, enhancing the sharpness of your footage can make a significant impact on the visual quality of your projects. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you through a straightforward process to bring out the finest details in your video using this powerful software. Let's dive right into it. First and foremost, you'll want to open Davinci Resolve. This incredible tool by Blackmagic Design is renowned for its advanced editing features, including the ability to sharpen your footage with ease. If you haven't already, ensure you have the latest version installed to take advantage of the newest updates and features. Once you're in the application, navigate to your project. You can either continue working on an existing project or create a new one by selecting it from the project manager. For this tutorial, I'll assume you've already got a project ready to go. Click on it to open, and let's head over to the next stage. With the project open, focus your attention on the color page. This is where the magic happens. The color page is your go-to area for adjusting a variety of settings that affect the look of your video. It can feel a bit overwhelming at first with all the options available, but don't worry, we'll be focusing on what you need to know for sharpening. Once you're on the color page, the next thing you want to do is locate the blur tool. Now this might sound counterintuitive at first, after all we are trying to sharpen, not blur, right? But hang tight. In Davinci Resolve, the sharpening process is accessed through the blur panel. So click on the blur option, which you'll find in the palette bar on the left side of your screen. Inside the blur panel you will see a radius slider. Here's where you can begin to sharpen your video. To enhance sharpness, you need to decrease the radius. This effectively reduces the amount of blur applied to your footage, bringing out the crisp details. Make small adjustments to the slider and watch the changes to your video preview. It's all about finding the right balance, so take your time and experiment until you're satisfied with the results. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can sharpen your video using Davinci Resolve, making those details pop and refining the overall visual quality. Remember, subtlety is key. You don't want to over sharpen your footage, which can make it appear unnatural. So adjust the settings slowly, preview your changes often, and apply the perfect touch to make your work stand out. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps as needed, and soon you'll be enhancing your videos like a pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing.